So we're given a probability density function up to a constant. We're told it's c times 4x minus 2x squared between 0 and 2. And we're asked what's the value of c. Well, we can find the value of c because we know that a probability density function integrates over all possible x to 1. In this case, all possible x is from 0 to 2. So we integrate this guy. We'll integrate 4x, you get 2x squared. Integrate 2x cubed, you should get, 2x squared, you should get an x cubed. Divided by 3 times 2, 2/3 x cubed. And that evaluated at 2 and 0 gives you an answer of 1. So, times c. I should have times c. I'll bring the c out here actually. So then, what's this? We plug in 2, we get 8. And we plug in that, we get 2/3 of 8. And then you subtract off 0. You plug in 0, you get 0. Is equal to 1. And so this is going to be 8 over 3. I'd say c is going to 8/3. C is equal to 1, so c is equal to 3 over 8. In order to ensure that this function satisfies this result, so that when you integrate over all possible values, you get 1. If that didn't happen, we couldn't interpret it as a probability density function. All right, now we're asked what's the probability that x is bigger than 1.8. So we integrate over all possible values of f of x that are greater than 1.8. That's how we get our answer. Which in this case means we integrate from 2 to 1.8 because our largest possible value of x is 2. And f of x is equal to 3 on 8 times 4x minus 2x squared. And we worked out what that was equal to over here. It's going to be 3 on 8 times 2x squared minus 2/3 x cubed, where we sub in 2 and 1.8. I guess that's most easily done using a calculator or MATLAB. Yeah, I'll go x equals 2. I'll go 3 on 8. So I could actually do this by writing a function. I think that's overkill though. But I'm going to just say let x equal 2, and I'll find what 2x times 2 times x squared is, minus 2 on 3 times x cubed. Yeah, that should give me a value of 1. And then I'll call that f2. And then I'll say what is it equal to when x is 1.8. Oh, it doesn't let me have a dot in the name. Dot 1.8. Okay, so 0.972, and so it's 1 minus 0.972, isn't it? The answer is 0.028. And we're done.